with Miss Co.
Hey guys, Miss Co here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this donut box with these cute little donuts inside. If you want to check it out, then keep on watching. Materials you need: construction paper in various colors, scissors, tape or glue, and something to color with. I'll be using color pencil. Something else that is optional is some plastic wrap, which we could use for the donut box. Please remember that all of these materials are optional. If you have something else that you think you would like to use instead, you are welcome to do that. Let's get started. Fold and cut. The very first thing I'm starting off with is this brown construction paper. Here I have it side to side horizontally, and the very first thing we're going to do is make a hamburger fold across. Make a sharp crease. Once you have that, I want you to go ahead and fold it over one more time. Make sure to line up all of the edges. Then one more time, we're going to do another fold over, and this is the last one. Next, we're going to make our donut. If you want to be a perfectionist, you could get something round that you could trace, or you could just go ahead and freehand it. It's up to you. Here I'm using some tape. And don't forget the little hole in the inside of our donut. For cutting out the hole, what I like to do is fold the donut in half. And then just cut it out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 donuts. Here I have multiple colors of paper, and I have them all stacked up on top of one another. And I'm going to go ahead and trace the donut that we just made. Once we're done with that, I'm going to draw in the frosting that's going to go on top. That way I know they'll fit the donut that we made. We're going to go ahead and cut just like we did before. Fold it in half and cut out the center. And here we have the frosting to go on top. You can see that by stacking the papers, I was able to cut multiple at once. Let's glue. For our very first donut, I want to make sure that all of the Sharpie lines go on the back. I want to make sure that the frosting is also flipped over so I could put the glue on the side with the Sharpie. And that way, when I put it down, none of it shows. Make sure to give your donut a nice little back rub. And then you want to repeat on all of the other donuts. Decorate. Here I'm just doing a variety of different decorations and cute little drawings that I think will be cute. I have a little bunny donut I'm making even. You guys could be totally creative about this and make whatever you would like for this project. It is up to you, and I think that is the most important part. Try to think of different flavored donuts that you would like to try. Fold and cut. Time for the donut box. This is going to take a lot of folding, but the very first fold we want to make is a fold on the bottom of our paper. I'm going to keep it to about an inch, and this is approximate. I'm not making it exact, but if you guys would like to, you may use a ruler. We're going to repeat at the very top of our paper. I'm going to make another fold going down, and this is about an inch as well. Now for the shorter sides of our paper, I'm going to do the same exact thing, make another fold. And this is about an inch as well. And then once again, repeat on the last side. Once you have that done, bring your paper back to be side to side. We want to fold our paper like a book in half. Line up the edges as best as you can and just make a nice sharp crease. I'm going to open it back up, and we have to make 2 more folds on our paper. And these are going to go in the center as well, except this time when I fold, I'm going to make it a little bit shorter than what we did before. I like to line it up against the fold at the top as a good stopping place. Now we have 2 lines, let's do the third. Once again, line it up to the top fold and press down. And all together, we're going to have all 3 of our folds. This is important, guys. We do need these. Open up all of your folds. Next, we need to make our little tabs. The way we're going to do this is we're going to use the horizontal line as a reference point on how high we should cut. We're going to cut along the vertical lines we made. We do want to skip that middle line and just cut the 2 lines next to it. All together, we should have 3 tabs. You're going to repeat the exact same thing on the other side. Cut up to where the line is. And you should have 3 more tabs. The last thing we need to do is in the center, underneath the tabs that we just made, we have to cut out little triangles, and this is going to help our box fold. Decorate. For the box, I'm going to make a little window that you can look into and see the donuts just like they have in the donut stores. This is something optional that you choose to do or not to do. And I'm going to draw these little puffs like clouds. Once I have that, I'm going to fold my paper just a little bit and make a little snip. That way I could fit my scissors inside and cut out that window. Once you have that, you have your little window where you can look into. I'm going to make some little adjustments and make sure everything's even. And now that we have that, I'm going to lay my box flat. And I'm going to start decorating. I'm going to write Miss Ko's Donuts on here. And remember, you may decorate doing whatever you would like, whether you want to cut paper like I am, or you could just draw on it. It's totally up to you. This is something that's completely optional. I thought it'd be a cute idea. I found some plastic inside of my classroom and I decided to cut a piece to attach to the donut box. I'm cutting to make sure that it fits to size. I'm going to make sure to attach the plastic to the inside of my box so none of it shows on the outside. And that way when you close your box, you have this cute little plastic film. Once you're done decorating, you can put your box together. You're going to take those tabs that we just made, and what you're going to do is fold it up and along the edge of the side, and that way it makes a corner. I think using tape is easiest, but if you don't have that, you could use glue. You want to repeat that on the other side. Just get the tab and make sure that you fold it along the inside of the side. For the middle of the box, you want to once again take your tabs. You're going to attach a piece of tape, but you want to just attach it to the inside of the box walls as well. And you're going to see why we need those triangles so that we can make sure that our box folds. Repeat on the other side, grab that little tab that we have. You want to repeat that on the other side. And now we have our cute functional little donut box. And we are complete. You could put your donuts inside. So once you open it up, you have these cute little donuts. I hope you guys loved this project. It was so much fun for me to make. Something a little extra I decided to add was a little receipt. I just tore a piece of paper and wrote half a dozen donuts. And I attached it to the very front of it, and I think it looks so cute. Here are your donuts. I hope you guys enjoyed this project, and please make sure to send me a picture if you guys decide to do it. I would love to see it. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks, and make sure to subscribe to see more fun videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!